Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be making a pumpkin bread, but a cream cheese pumpkin bread. Now this recipe stems from a pumpkin farm that I used to visit growing up. My cousin, David Putty, owns a pumpkin farm in Southampton, New York, which is on Long Island. So this recipe is a tribute to him. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to products you see here. If you love our recipes and want to help Little House of Beans, please smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am super excited to make this, that the holidays are around the corner. Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. And with that, let's make our pumpkin cream cheese bread.